name is Anil Roney from BowCast, and I'm here on top of Snowbird Mountain.
I'm Anthony Dixon from Full Moon Productions and BowCast.
This is the BowCast At The Bird event.
It's BowCast At The Bird, man, and it's going to be an incredible day.
It's just amazing for me to sit up here and realize about 3 years ago, Anthony and I talked about getting a bunch of hardcore bow hunters up in a high alpine setting for 2 days of fun, education, and just slinging some arrows.
I couldn't sleep last night just thinking about the courses and how much fun it was going to be. You know, we've set up some great courses that are tough, that are challenging physically, and also from shots as well. And I'm just super stoked to be here. I've waited 3 years from a concept to watch people hop on a lift with their bows and come up here and enjoy, you know, what it is. It's beautiful. We've got a beginner course, and then we've got an advanced course, and we also have the elite course. So we're covering all the different type of shooters that are out there.
I got a couple nights. Oh, you're the one that broke my beginner. I heard it.
The kids course is marked with yellow shooting stations. The shots will range from 20, 30, 40, 50, 10 yards and 5 yards for the kids.
And we just shot the beginner's course and then switched over to the intermediate.
It was pretty tough, but it was also awesome.
It was a better course than I've ever done.
Yeah.
So, the beginner course, I was trying 20 shots, and on the intermediate, I was doing 30s and 40s.
Yeah.
Ranges down here on the intermediate is basically a father and son. You can shoot it that way, you know, the kids are shooting that. But those targets go from 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 yards, 75. Mm-hmm. Then the advanced course switches out on the right side of that road, and that gets into, you know, much more difficult shots, and then it goes up to the elite course.
Mm-hmm. You have a course for beginners, intermediate, and advanced, and it's quite a workout.
It was pretty hard, but it was good. I liked it.
There's really too much shooting to do.
I thought it was amazing. I thought it was the best shoot I've ever done.
Yeah.
This is my third 3D shoot this season. Gotta say it's definitely the most extreme 3D shoot that we've ever been on, so definitely enjoying ourselves.
This is probably one of the, you know, the shoots of a lifetime to come up for BowCast. You know, it's just incredible.
Hands down, it's the best shoot I've ever shot in my life.
You know, BowCast at the Bird has been awesome.
BowCast at the Bird is going to become a premier archery event.
Definitely coming back next year.
I'll be back.